Why do I like Sprucehill? I like Sprucehill because the company genuinely cares. It's a really awesome place to work. It has a really good sense of culture around everything, and we build a ton of really cool stuff.
The team, hands-on, we got the best crew in the world. Everybody brings in a variety of experience, and we back each other up and we hold each other accountable.
There's a lot of reasons why I like working at Sprucehill. Love working at Sprucehill, I should say. The first thing is probably the culture. I mean, just a bunch of like-minded individuals who are dedicated to being professional. It makes the vibes really good. We get good work done, so it's awesome.
I love working at Sprucehill because of the team atmosphere. The guys are great, managers are great. You always get your answers and your lumber on time.
I love working at Sprucehill because the team is awesome. The jobs that we get are amazing too. We have a lot of fun on site. Keep things casual while keeping it busy. It's very fun.
I love working at Sprucehill because they've given the opportunity for me to grow. From someone who worked on the tools for 8 years, now being able to take on bigger responsibilities, and they've given me the opportunity, and I'm very grateful for that.
I like working at Sprucehill because it's such a supportive environment. We truly work as a team, and there's a lot of collaboration between departments. Everyone's voice is valued, and that makes a huge difference.
The team, the quality of work we produce, and the projects we do, some serious projects. We go into fully gutted houses and we turn them around and we turn them to something really beautiful, and that's always exciting to see.
I like all the projects we do. We've built some really cool stuff, even in the short time that I've been here, and the team culture around everyone really cares about each other. Everyone's always trying to help each other out. Overall, it's just a really good experience to come to work each day.
My favorite part about working for Sprucehill is, I think right now at this time, is all the different projects we have. There's kind of something going on every site. A lot of diversity, which is fun, keeps it interesting.
My favorite part about working at Sprucehill is probably the team and scope of work. Both aspects are very cool, and when you combine great people with great work, it's just amazing.
Favorite part of working at Sprucehill is the atmosphere in the company. Feels like family. Also a good balance, feeling like a real business. Eric has done a really good job of making sure the team is top-notch.
The culture, for sure. You know, we do a great job and we have fun while doing it. We do fun things like, you know, the team beers and go-karting, or camping trips. Everyone works so hard and we all cheer each other on. It's a great environment.
The quality and attention to detail and the service we provide to our customers. We don't cut corners. We make sure we build it right and do it right, and so that we don't have to do it again. We're not afraid to try new things and try new products.
The attention to detail, Eric's done a very good job on making sure that our work is consistent and at 100% each time.
Sprucehill's set apart by our atmosphere, our managers, our projects. We have some great, amazing projects here, and the standards. The standards held here are tight.
I think Sprucehill really sets itself apart differently with the level of organisation and attention to detail, especially with Eric. He's put so much time into setting up all these systems and practices that everyone has access to all the information they need all of the time, and we're very client focused. So not only do they get a really good experience, you could have a good experience with them.
I would say the thing that sets them apart most is how they care about their employees. I've never worked for a company where people are talking about mental health and genuinely asking you how your day is and want to know who you are and how you're doing. It's awesome.
So I've been in the construction industry for the last 13 years. I'd say Sprucehill's standards for excellence is like on a different level. We strive to be the best at what we do and, you know, deliver the best services. And I think that's really apparent in the homes and in the finished product.
I mean, they always make sure we have all the right tools to succeed. We have the time to plan, and they're always there to support us in any way they can, and they take feedback extremely seriously.
The leadership team at Sprucehill is always there when you need support, which is super awesome. They're always there to lend a hand, but they let you go about and do your job without micromanaging, which makes a big change from other places that I've worked with in the past. It's really nice to be able to come to work and know that you have the support you need without somebody being on top of you all day wondering what you're doing with it.
The leadership team, yeah, like I said before, the leadership team is just, they're concerned with how you actually are as a person. They're making sure that you're good in a professional work sense, but also in a personal sense, which goes a long way.
They're here, they're on site. If I need answers, I need questions, they're backing me up. They fully trust me to do my job, and I trust them to do their job. So it's a really nice relationship. When someone's not hovering over you, trying to direct you, they really give you the opportunity to learn and grow here, and really support you in everything you do.
The leadership team is always there for me. They're just a phone call away, or sometimes even right beside me. So it's very nice to have them be able to help me very quickly and efficiently.
The leadership team does a lot. For someone who's been a carpenter for 8 years, making my change into the project coordinator, all my PMs and everyone has really done a really good job on teaching me and showing me the ropes of the business aspect of building a home.
Yeah, so we have weekly check-ins, so I know I'm always supported, and but I'm also given freedom and trust to get things done. And that's so important to me. Anytime I have questions or ideas or concerns, I feel completely comfortable going to leadership, and I always feel heard.
Both of the ones I'm currently working on are pretty awesome. They both have the different challenges, which is fun because you kind of one day to the next. Both of them have a really cool view, so I can't pick that. And they both have super awesome clients, so it's not really a fair choice.
So my favorite project is Fur Seasons. I've been working at this site for the longest amount of time, so it's been pretty cool seeing it come from what it was.
Just because it's the first one I've taken on from the start to finish, and the biggest reno I've done to date. So it is my favorite project.
Edgemont Elegance. When I started with Sprucehill, I started working on that job in the production crew, and now I've made my way into being a project coordinator for that job, and seeing the progression from when I first joined the company to now has been extravagant, and it looks phenomenal.
So being behind the scenes on the administrative team, I don't get to see a lot of the daily happenings on our projects. I just see photos on Slack posted. However, I have loved seeing the transformation of the Parkside Manor project. On my first day with Sprucehill, Eric took me to some of the sites, and that was one of the sites we stopped at. Back then it was completely gutted and down to the studs. And recently I saw the video on our YouTube channel of Eric doing the walkthrough, and it was just beautiful, completely transformed, and just so fun to see that.